So let's see what we will build. We have this simple Figma design that we will try to recreate, and actually I already created an empty project and added few resources that we will be needing building this app. So I have some icons and some images that I downloaded from this Figma design, and also added few colors. And apart from this, we have the extensions for the color so that we can easily utilize the color in the app, and we don't have to retype them again and again. And same way, we have the extensions for the images, and I added some fonts style as well. So it's just the font weight and font size view modifier that we are utilizing right now. So we have some headings format and some paragraph format that we will use in the app. So that's all, I guess. In the next video we will try to build the first login screen. Thank you.